Okay. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Wait, Marvin. Yay! Happy birthday, Maymay.
Okay.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Say thank you.
Say thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, Mama. Say thank you.
You thank you.
Say thank you.
You should say thank you. Ate ah.
Lagay mo dyan.
Coffee cake. Strawberry baby, you know.
Wow, happy birthday, Maymay. Happy birthday, Maymay. You're already 3 years old.
Not 2 years old.
Yummy.
Tomorrow when Ellie comes to go to school,
Nakakasira ito eh. Tanggalin mo nga ito.
tomorrow you are going to school and you are going to the nursery school because tomorrow is Monday. Tomorrow is Sunday. Monday?
Singapore birthday.
Red for your shirt. That one is called cherry. Marvin, this one banana split oh. Nah. 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 Eat. Give Nana.
Wow, the 3 years old baby is so fat.
Mommy.
Thank you.
Banana split.
Banana split is there.
Eat the banana for what? Banana split, no? Oh. Marvin, you don't mix together. Hindi ka inububukas, masalamat ako.